Okay, so this is a ratio related question. So let us look at this. So we have ABC, three positive integers, okay, such that A and B are in the ratio 3 is to 4, while B and C are in the ratio 2 is to 1. Then which of the following is a possible value of A plus B plus C? All right. So we're looking for a possible value. So somehow this positive integer constraint might play a role. So let's combine the ratio first. These are the type of question where, if you combine it properly, that is taking the LCM, not simply multiplying these two, would always lead to a correct answer. So don't just multiply these and then reduce. I mean, that's just two steps, right? And worst case scenario, I mean, don't multiply and leave it. Then you might get a wrong answer as well. So in this case, just simply put an LCM of 4 and 2 for B. So let's put it as 4. Now, these two are anyhow in the ratio 3 is to 4. So as we have put a 4 here, so that should imply we should put a 3 here, right? So that makes it 3 is to 4 anyhow. And these two are in the ratio 2 is to 1. Now, since we are doubling the 2, we should double the 1 as well. So this is the ratio of A plus B plus C. So you can directly get this. It's a very fast process. You just need to understand once or twice. You can do these kind of things very, very quickly, even with the LCM, not necessarily the product. So once you have this relationship, so now let us understand the significance of this positive integer thing. Now we know that A, B, and C are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 3 is to 4 is to 2, right? So if I consider the value of A as some 3k, the B as some 4k, and the C as some 2k. So this A plus B plus C, if I add all of these up, the A plus B plus C should be of the form 9k, isn't it? So which is automatically telling me that the A plus B plus C, so the sum of A, B, C should be in a multiple of 9. Now, let us understand why so. I mean, we can do something like this to understand that, or there's a faster method as well. Just notice the ratio here. I mean, if you consider A will be 3/9 of the total, B will be 4/9 of the total, C will be 2/9 of the total. Check this out. I mean, once you have this thing in the reduced form, you will definitely have some of these in already a reduced form. So, for example, in this particular case, you have both B and C in the reduced form. A is not in the reduced form, but that doesn't matter because A, B, C, each of them has to be positive integers. It's not just that one of them has to be a positive integer. Now, because all of these have to be a positive integer, so what does this 3/9 mean? A has to be 3/9 of the total, B has to be 4/9 of the total, C has to be 2/9 of the total. So until and unless the total is a multiple of 9, you cannot have all of these ABC as an integer value, right? You'll get some decimals. So that is the reason why this has to happen. So you don't need to actually do this part. You can avoid doing this part. You can just simply check the sum of the parts here in the reduced ratio. Excuse me. So this is basically adding up to 9. So effectively we can directly conclude that the total has to be a multiple of 9. So out of these numbers, 207 is a multiple of 9. So that should be the answer here. So it's a very, very fast question. You can solve this in 30 seconds, I believe. But then, okay, I'll put a 1 minute ideal time to solve this because you should never take more than a minute to solve questions like this. So I hope that was understood. Thank you.